Kenya ni maguthwo ni igutha inene thutha wa kwamikira ndeto ciegie gikuo kia a very famous person guku bururi-ini in the sector ya education. Before gutariirie what has happened, Karagũ Amũraya ni oha thabari heading to India, kona ni arakoretwo akihurirwo thimu ni marigitari kuria India makienda akorwo travel to join Apostle John Paul, who is receiving treatment. Mundu very famous in the sector ya education, ni mundu uri ngumo nene muno arikitie kuhurukana ni ndeto cia gikorwo igitiga andu na ihoru inene. Jesse Waweru aroikaine muno because he founded the JESMA exams, igeranio ciekagwo muno in high schools miaka ya hau kabere, ahuruka ari na miaka 72. Jesse Waweru niwe wanjiriirie kambuni ya gukorwo igicabithia igeranio ici, angikorwo ni waikareire igeranio cia JESMA no nguririkanie ciokaga in different colors, na ni igeranio ciakoretwo igitest arutwo muno during that time, na igeranio cietigiritwo muno. If you remember, they used to come in colorful papers and like other exams miaka ya the 2000s. Now niguo Kenyans who sat for the JESMA exams makorwo makiamukira ndeto egie mwarimu uyu wahuruka na miaka 72, Jesse wa JESMA. Uyu akiuga, I have never known this guy ever since hizo JESMA zilitutesa sana. Na huyo akiuga, nikikumbuka ile pepa ya math ya pink, uyu akiuga, kama ulifanya JESMA sahi unafaa kuwa na watoto 5. Jesse Waweru wa JESMA exams aroke huruka uhoro back to Karagũ Amũraya. He is joining Apostle John Paul kuria India, kona ni aramukira urigiti na marigitari makoretwo makiuria Karagũ ohe thabari to India. Karagũ shared these photos akiri at the airport kuria auborete ati he has taken the time to travel ginyagia India niguo akorwo akinyitirira Apostle John Paul makiria akireceive treatment area agerire gukorwo akireceive, danakorwo agishare details nyingi cikengie kiria kiragitumire Apostle John Paul akorwo akiumbuka ginyagia India this time rounds, kona hau kabere ni aragikoretwo aki-explain to Kenyans ndwarisha Apostle John Paul na kiria kiragituma arigitirwo ku. But this time he has not shared more details, but ni akiuga ati he is traveling to join Apostle John Paul, tugathie na mbere na kumwendera thabari njega na ginyagia Apostle John Paul ahone na ihenya na ugima wake wa mwiri ukorwo ugicoka sawa. Make sure ni wa subscribe na wa turn on your notification. Tuchamanie on our next one, and also kuria wa TikTok.